Hi Nana. Now today we are discussing about trigonometron. Trigonometron. See, tri means three, gono means angular sides, metron means measures. See, here three angles are sides where we have to measure. Where we have to measure. See, in a triangle A, B, C. This is angle A, and this is angle B, and this is angle C. See, these are the three angles AB, BC, CD, CA. That's it. Three angles or sides we have to measure in only triangle. At a time, we have to measure angle and sides. We have to measure in a triangle only. And one more important point, trigonometron is a Greek word. Trigonometron is a Greek word. Greek word. And here, who introduced trigonometry? Hipparchus. Hipparchus is a Greek mathematician introduced trigonometry. And now particularly in a trigonometry we are using only right angle triangle. So why we are using right angle triangle, sir? Why we are using right angle triangle? See here, the longest angle opposite side is nothing but a longest side. The longest side name is called as a hypotenuse. See, in a right angle triangle only have 90 degrees. Then here, suppose if I am taking theta here, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Decide the side is nothing but a adjacent side and opposite side. This one is opposite side and this one is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. That is the reason we are using right angle triangle. And here one more important point, angle. See, what is the definition of angle? See, the amount of rotation of moving ray and fixed ray. The amount of rotation of moving ray, fixed ray. It is called angle. See, angle is denoted by theta, alpha, beta, gamma, and so on. Sir, these are theta, beta, gamma, alpha. What is this, sir? These all are the Greek alphabets. These all are the Greek alphabets. Okay, now Greek alphabets. See here, now coming to the point, see ratios. Actually, opposite, adjacent to hypotenuse. How many sides are the three sides? That means we'll get 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. 6 ratios we'll get. Suppose these opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. This ratio name is called as a sine theta. Hipparchus is kept one name. The ratio opposite by hypotenuse. His name is called as a sine theta. And adjacent side by hypotenuse. This ratio name is called as a cosine theta. Cosine theta. We will call cos theta. We will call cos theta. Here, opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. This ratio name is called as a tan theta. Adjacent side by opposite, the reciprocal of the tan theta, it is called cotan theta. We will call cot theta. We will call cot theta. Next, hypotenuse by opposite. This ratio name is called as a cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. We will call cosecant theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent. This ratio name is called as a secant theta. This ratio name is called as a secant theta. Here sin theta, tan theta and secant theta. You can add cosine theta, cotan theta, cosecant theta. Then we'll get one more, still more three ratios. Finally, these all are the six trigonometric ratios. Six trigonometric ratios. Total how many trigonometric ratios are there, Nana? Total six trigonometric ratios are there. That is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. Okay, now these are the six trigonometric ratios. What is the relations? See, observe here relations. Once observe sin theta and cosecant theta, both are reciprocal. Once observe that sin theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. Okay, now cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Then you will write like this also, cosecant equal to 1 by sin, secant equal to 1 by cos. That is no problem. Here tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta, or 1 by cot theta, or sin theta by cos theta also will call. Next, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, or we can write cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Like this also we can write. Simply sin into sin is cosecant theta, transport this side, sin theta into cosecant theta will get 1. Cos theta secant theta will get 1. Understood? Right. Same like the tan into cot value 1. Okay now. Right. Next, coming to the point, angles. Now we have trigonometric specific angles. Specific angles. 5 angles are there, Nana. That 0 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, and 45 degrees after 60 degrees and 90 degrees. These are the five specific angles are there. Still is there 15 degrees, 22 and a half degrees, either 75 degrees. These all are there, but it is in IIT. Now in our 10th class, we have only five specific angles. That is sin theta. Now suppose if you take 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, you should take like this. Then see here, first sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 30, 1 by root 2, sin 40, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. Once observe that, how we will get these values? We have proofs. We have proofs. But here I will tell small trick. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Just you can apply root, 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 root. 4, 4 get cancelled. 1. Root 3 by root 2 value 2. 1 2s are by 2 2s are root 2. See, 1 by root 0. It is a small trick. We have to use that small trick. Then we have to find the values. Suppose you can write cos theta. Reverse 1. See 1 here, right? Root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. 0. Now after getting sin and cos, you just divide sin by cos. Then we will get a tan theta. Sin by cos will get a tan theta. See 0 by something 0. This is 1 by root 3. Root 2 to get cancelled. 1. See 2 to get cancelled. Root 3. 1 by 0. Not defined. Okay. Then coming to the point cot theta. Cot theta is equal to reverse. Not defined. Root 3. 1. 1 by root 3. 0. Got it? Next, secant theta. Secant theta, the reciprocal of the cos theta. Reciprocal, that means 1 by 1. 1 by 1, 1. 2 by root 3. Okay. Root 2. 2. 1 by 0. Not defined. Now coming to the point cosecant theta. Cosecant theta reverse. Sin theta. Cosecant theta reverse. 2. Root 2. 2 by root 3. 1. These are the five specific angles, then the values. How? See once sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, root 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. Like that we will read. Okay. Next we have in our syllabus identities. Identities. See, when it is identity, nana, suppose what is the definition of identity? Definition of identity means if you substitute any value in the particular place, then we'll get LHS equal RHS. Then it is identity. Like a plus b whole square is there. In the place of a, in the place of b, you substitute any value, either 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. Then you will get definitely LHS equal to RHS. Now coming to the point, same like that, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third one, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. We can change like this also. Suppose I want sin square theta, we can transport 1 minus cos square theta. Suppose I want secant square theta, we can write 1 plus tan square theta. Like that we have to convert, no problem. Cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Not only cosecant square, not only secant square, not only sin square. You can take cos square also. Cos square, tan square equal to 1 plus secant square minus 1. Cot square equal to cosecant square minus 1. Situation ని బట్టి మనం ఇక్కడ చేంజ్ చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? These are the trigonometric ratios, angles, table, and identities, relations. These are the main points of the trigonometry in 10th class. Okay, once note down, no? In 10th class, it is a very important topic, trigonometry, no? And relation also is there, like applications of trigonometry also one more important topic is there along with this. And don't skip the video, because if you miss any point you will not understand. And once check it, and if it is possible you can share to your friends also. Okay, once note down, Nana. Next, some important questions. You have to discuss some important questions also. Fine. Now we are discussing about some important questions, Nana. That is first question. In 2012 they gave one question. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. Sin A equal to 3 by 4. Find the tan and tan A and cos A. Tan A and cos A. See, now you should take right angle triangle. See, here it is a theta, it is A, B at right angle triangle C. See, already we discussed before in class, opposite. This is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. See, now they gave sign opposite. This is 3 and 4. What is the adjacent? See, from the hypotenuse Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is nothing but a 4 square. Okay. Now AB square is nothing but AB. We don't know AB adjacent side, plus BC square, that is 3 square. Now I want AB square. Here 4 4 are 16 plus 3 square transport to that side 9. Now AB square is equals to 16 minus 9. How much, Nana? 7. Now AB is equals to root 7. In this, we can take only Pythagorean triplets, Nana. See, some important Pythagorean triplets you just keep in mind, like 3, 4, 5. And now it is not useful. 3, 4, root 7, like that. And Pythagorean triplets. Now we can write tan A. Now, for example, tan A is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite means what, Nana? BC. By adjacent means AB. See, BC means 3 by adjacent means root 7. Next, cos A. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means what, Nana? AB. Hypotenuse means AC. Now AB means what, Nana? Root 7 by AC. AC is 4. AC is 4. These are one more one of the important sum. Okay, na? Next, uh, in the previous year, they gave one more important question. See, second one, tan of a plus b, tan of a plus b equal to root 3, tan of a minus b equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. See, here already we know that tan of a plus b of here tan when the angle when in the tan values root 3 will get tan tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees. Tan remove. A plus b equal to 60 degrees. This is the first equation. Next, tan of a minus b equal to tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Now tan remove nana a minus b equal to 30 degrees. This is the second equation. Now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, that means add చేయాలి. Okay na? A plus b equal to 60 degrees. A minus b equal to 30 degrees. Now plus b minus b cancel. A plus a. Elimination method nana 2a 60 plus 30 90. 1 2s are 2 45 degrees. 45 degree కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నాను ఇక్కడ పక్కన రాసుకోండి 45 degrees. Angle A is equals to 45 degrees. Now A value substitute in equation 1 also. Equation 1 or 2, no problem. 45 plus angle B is equals to 60 degrees. Angle B equal to 60 degrees minus 45. Angle B equal to 60 minus 45, how much nana? 15 degrees. Okay na? 15 degrees. Note down nana? Once note down. Next question. Next one more important question. Root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. This is the sum. We have to show secant A plus tan A. Now you should take rationalizing. You can use here rationalizing in 9th class and 9th class first chapter. We are using rationalizing topic. Same we have to use here. 1 plus sin A by denominator rationalizing 1 plus sin A. Here 1 minus sin A is there na, then you can take opposite signs and both numerator and denominator you should take same value, then it will not affect the sum. A plus b into a minus b, sorry, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that means 1 square is nothing but a 1 sin square A, root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square is nothing but a cos square A. From identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. I want a cos square A, that means 1 minus sin square A, like that. In the place of 1 minus sin square you can write cos square A. We already we told na 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square, square root to cancel. Separately you can write 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 plus 1 by sin A అంటే secant A, sorry 1 by cos A secant A, sin A by cos A అంటే tan A. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. So we conclude that LHS equal to RHS. That is the most important. See, rationalizing. After that, we'll get 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A whole square, 1 minus sin square A. We, in the place of 1 minus sin square, we can write like cos square A square by b square. Like previously, a square by b square means a by b whole square. We can use this formula here. A by b whole square, then 1 by cos A, sin A by cos A. 1 by cos means it is secant A, sin A by cos A means tan A. It is a very very important sum. And one more important sum is that secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P, secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Now sin theta equal to, we have to prove that sin theta equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1, P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. In 2016 and 2022 they gave now solution C is secant theta minus tan theta equal to, that will get 1 by P. Once observe that from identity secant theta plus tan theta P అయితే secant theta minus tan theta 1 by P. How? I'll tell now. See, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is a square minus b square. Assume that secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Here already secant theta plus tan theta, it is P into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. I want secant theta minus tan theta. P transfer to that side 1 by P. P transfer to that side 1 by P. Like this we have to write. It is applicable only two identities. What is that? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay now. Now suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2. Adding nana. From 1 and 2 adding. Tan cancel. Okay na. Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Yeah, these two cancel. 2 secant theta. 2 secant theta equal to P plus 1 by P. Now you show LHS, once I see the RHS, P should take LCM P into P. P square plus 1. P into P. P square plus 1. Now to secant theta. 2 transport to that side, secant theta is equals to P square plus 1 by 2P. And suppose we want cos theta. 2P by P square plus 1. This is reciprocal only na. Just you can keep like that. Now next from 1 and 2 subtraction nana. Here adding it, this one is subtraction. Secant theta plus tan theta equal to P. Okay. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by P. Minus plus minus. When you are doing subtraction, you change the symbols. See, secant theta minus tan theta cancel. Secant theta cancel. 2 tan theta P minus 1 by P. Now I want tan theta. Should take P LCM. P into P. P square minus 1. 2 also transport this side. 2 tan P. Now see, tan theta means already we know that sin theta by cos theta equal to P square minus 1 by 2P. Cos transport that side. We want sin theta only. Okay. That is the reason I am taking that. P square minus 1 by 2P into cos theta. This is denominator. Transport to that side, it will get multiplication. Sin theta is equals to P square minus 1 by 2P into cos theta value already we find 2P by P square plus 1. 2P get cancelled. Finally, therefore, sin theta equal to P square minus 1 by P square plus 1. P square plus 1. Hence proved. Hence proved. Once note down, Nana. Not only these four, we have still important questions is there. But if any sum in the trigonometry, if you just please comment, then I will do and I will send. Okay, Nana. Please note down, Nana, once. We have one more important sum, Nana, that is in 2013 they gave. Okay, here solution. See, a plus b whole square formula like is then a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can apply this formula here. Okay, now here sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus cos square a plus, okay, secant square a plus 2 cos a secant a. Already I said that relation sin a cosecant a cos a secant a cancel. Then we get 2 plus 2 4 plus sin square a plus cos square a పక్క పక్కన రాసేయండి అన్న. దెన్ రిమైనింగ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ cosecant square a plus secant square a. From identity here 4 plus 1 sin square a plus cos square a value 1 and plus cosecant square a. Now here cosecant square a అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ from identity cosecant square a is equals to 1 plus cot square a and secant square a is equals to 1 plus tan square a from identity. Okay now here 1 plus tan square a plus 1 plus cot square a. Finally 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay na? Once note down na.